Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to enhance your own voice in the video and then also add a background track to it. It's basically showing you how I'm going to show you how to reduce all the background noise and echo in this video, and also to add a soundtrack that you might like. So to begin with, new project, start a new project. I want to select the last video that I did. Edit this last video that I showed you guys. So here to begin with, I'm gonna start with this. So here you can hear how. Hi everyone. There's in this video the voice is very shallow. We're going to look at quiet and how to apply materials. There's a bit of background noise also. What you can do now to enhance this voice is to select the voice button and then go to essential sounds, which you can find here in the window there. Essentially, if you can't find it there, go to Windows, Essential Sound, and you will have it on your right hand side. So select the video clip, go to dialog, and you can select one of the presets here that's called balanced male voice. Now if you listen to this, it's going to bump up your voice to the maximum. Existing model, and one of the steps, see, you can hear all the background noise, the fan noise and the echo. Do it, and also we're going to. So how we can remove this is to now go to the audio track mixer, which is also there in Windows, the track mixer. So you can select this and go and press this show and hide effects and sends. So in this, if you click here, just press the down right button, go to noise reduction and restoration and denoise. I usually click it, keep it at 40, but you can always increase it or decrease it. It's up to you. You can always change here to kind of increase or decrease it. I like to keep it at 40. Look at how to export an image and a video. Oh. Yeah, if you listen to this now. First we look at materials to how much sound it's taking off. Change materials. It's very straightforward if you made your models in different layers. Then also another filter to add would be noise reduction again. Deverb. In deverb I like to keep that as 40 as well. Let's try this. So I recommend you to see how it kind of completely reduced all the background noise. I'm going to keep that at 40. To make when you make your models, itself applies materials on it. I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm going to add an audio track. Might prefer just drag and drop. What you notice is that audio track's volume is going to be quite high as well. Make it in. Also make sure you are working in layers. You see how you can't really listen to me, so what I'm going to do is reduce the audio noise by reducing the gain. So what you do is you click the audio track, right click, audio gain, and I'd like to keep that at -20. Now if you listen to this, so for example, if you want to add a material, just go to, see how that, I kind of like this. So that's it, and then you just scroll out and kind of match the audio to your sound. Once you're happy with that, arrow here. So once you're happy with that, you can always go to File and Export Media and save it in your location. Thanks for watching, guys.